YouTube, it's Kazaya, and today we're going to be walking down a polynomial and locating the degree and the y-intercept. So this is our equation. Our equation is f of x equals x plus 1 squared, x minus 5 cubed, and then x minus 4. So for you guys who don't know what a degree is of a polynomial, the degree of a polynomial is the highest power of x when the polynomial is fully expanded to find the degree. So what you need to do is you need to add the exponents together for each factor. So that's what we're going to do for step 1. We're going to factor it, and we're going to add all the exponents together from. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at our equation, and when you're looking at a polynomial, you want to read it like you're reading a book. So you'll read it from left to right. So we'll start with this first part right here, which is x plus 1 squared. And so since it's squared, x plus 1 squared is read as just x squared. For the second one, x minus 5 cubed, we're just going to read it as x cubed. And then whenever you don't have one right here, you'll just take the one that's inside the parentheses, and so just act as x to the 1. It's never going to be a 0. It's always, since there's nothing there, it always reads as a 1. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add each degree up. So we're going to do 2 plus 3 plus 1, and then that equals 6. So our degree is equal to 6. So now we're going to do is we're going to find how we would get our y-intercept. So when you want to find your y-intercept, you plug in x for 0. So for our solution here, f of x, every time you see an x, you'll place a 0 for the placemaker in the placeholder. And so when you run it through here, so this 0 plus 1 squared is equal, so it's just going to act as a 1 squared. So 1 squared equals 1, and then 0 minus 5 cubed is going to act as a negative 5 cubed, and that equals negative 125. And then we have 0 minus 4, and then that's negative 4. Let's write this over here, negative 4. And so when we just plug this all in, so it'll be f of 0 equals 1 times negative 125 times negative 4, and then that is equal to positive 500. And so then when we write it in, it's always going to be x comma y. And so our x is going to be 0, and then our y is going to be positive 500 for our y-intercept. So our degree is 6 for the polynomial, and then our y-intercept is at 0, positive 500.